So you're launching a new business and you're thinking about using LegalZoom, but you want to know if it's still a smart choice in 2025. Well, in today's video, I'm going to break down clearly what LegalZoom offers, the key features that make it stand out, important things to watch out for, and how it compares to other popular LLC services. So let's dive in and start with what LegalZoom is. Well, LegalZoom is an online service that provides a wide range of legal solutions, including LLC, corporation, and nonprofit formation, trademark and copyright filings, legal documents and contracts, ongoing compliance services, as well as personal services like wills and trusts, which is pretty uncommon and none of the close competitors do all of those different things. Now, while they do focus purely on legal services, they now also include a free Wix-powered business website with their basic LLC formation, which is a pretty solid new perk if you want to get everything done in one spot. LegalZoom also offers subscription-based attorney consultations starting around $49 per month, which can be ideal if you expect to need ongoing legal support for your business. Some of the key features of LegalZoom include the ability to form a variety of different types of entities, including LLCs, S-Corps, C-Corps, and nonprofits in all 50 US states. Their registered agent service, which comes in at $249 per year, which is for you if you do not want your name clearly tied to your business when people go to look it up. Access to over 150 customizable legal documents, including contracts, NDAs, leases, which is a lot compared to some of their other top competitors like Zen Business that only offer around 15 to 25 templates. Business licenses and permits, which comes in at an additional about $99 add-on for that research. Speaking of, you can get those attorney consultations at a $49 per month subscription, which can be pretty nice. And they've got a variety of compliance tools, including optional annual reports and reminders to make sure you stay in good standing. But what does all of this cost? Well, here's the prices and all the different plans, excluding your state filing fees, which are going to vary from state to state. They've got their basic LLC plan, which is $0. All you're going to pay are the state filing fees. And this includes a name check, the filing of your LLC, a free business website, but does not include an operating agreement or a registered agent. The turnaround time is also going to depend on your state's default processing speed, so it might take a little while for that to actually go through. If you want more of an all-in-one package, you could look at their Pro plan, which is $249 and is going to add in your EIN filing, your operating agreement, your business license guide, tax and insurance consultations, and really just make sure that you are fully well-rounded and set up for success. But if that's not enough, they've got a premium plan, which is $299, which is going to give you everything in the previous plan, plus expedited filing and a 30-day attorney consultation trial. So again, if you do want to talk to a legal professional, this could be a somewhat affordable way for you to do that. Now, some of the common add-ons that you're going to find with LegalZoom, first is their registered agent. Like we said, that's $249 per year. You can also pay separately for your EIN filing if you don't want to go for one of those upper packages. That's going to run you anywhere from $79 to $99. And that legal plan that you get the trial for on their top tier is going to run you about $49 per month after that trial ends. So who is LegalZoom actually for, and who's going to get the most value here? Well, if you're a founder wanting to start an LLC, a corporation, a nonprofit, an S Corp, if you're an entrepreneur that needs regular access to attorneys, it's a big selling point of LegalZoom. Or for somebody that prefers a trusted, well-established brand, LegalZoom's been around for over 20 years. They've incorporated over 1 million companies in the US. They're the biggest player in the game. That is definitely something to consider. However, some of the things you need to know about LegalZoom. First, registered agent, it's expensive. $249 a year is quite a bit more expensive than you're going to find elsewhere, with many other companies charging around $100 to $150 per year. Also, the EIN fee. Okay, LegalZoom's charging you about $79 to $99 a year. You can get it for free at irs.gov if you do want to jump through a couple more hoops. Now, with the registered agent, technically it's required in every state, but you can just list yourself if you want to. The only concern there is privacy, right? Do you want your name showing up when people look up your business? If that's fine with you, then you don't need a registered agent. But if you don't want that, then that's when you would want to pay for a registered agent. Now, all that said, even though these things are a bit more expensive, the refund policy is pretty generous with LegalZoom. They've got a 60-day satisfaction guarantee, which is pretty rare among competitors in the space. A lot of other companies just kind of have a no refund policy. So the fact that you do have 60 days is pretty nice. However, there are going to be a lot of upsells. So things like compliance tools, license research, are going to run you probably about $100 a piece and can start to add up pretty quickly if you do opt into a number of different upsells. Their basic plan is also pretty slow, so it can take weeks depending on what state you're in. But if you go for the pro or the premium plans, those can go through in anywhere from 1 to 2 business days. How do they compare to the other competitors out there? Well, one name that's pretty popular, Zen Business. They've also got that $0 base LLC plan. They've got fewer upsells than LegalZoom, which is kind of nice. They include that compliance help, which is kind of nice. And it's going to be a pretty solid solution for affordable, simple setups. Swift Filings is another name you may have heard of. They're going to have faster filings, multiple entity types, pretty solid when it comes to speed. Taylor Brands is a unique solution because they combine branding tools with your company setup, which can be pretty solid for first-time founders. But where LegalZoom really stands out is in the more complex entity types that many of these other companies might not support, like nonprofits or S-corps, their access to attorneys and comprehensive legal tools, and their really reliable customer support and refund policy. So while LegalZoom certainly isn't the cheapest, it is one of the most comprehensive solutions on the market, especially if you need more than just basic LLC filing. If you're going to want to talk to attorneys down the line, if you're going to want to set up things like trademarks, copyrights, more complex legal documents, it can be nice to have all of that in one spot rather than needing to go to, 8 different places just to get everything. Like having it all through LegalZoom could be nice and convenient. Whereas, something like Zen Business or Taylor Brands might end up saving you money. If you do need these other things, might be a little bit more hassle for you. So thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you make the right choice for your business, and I'll see you in the next video.